Hey everyone, if your microphone isn't working in Fortnite, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue so you can get back to gaming without any problems. First, open Fortnite and go to your profile picture in the top right-hand corner. Click the settings icon. Now navigate to the communication tab at the top and look for the voice chat section. Make sure that voice chat is enabled. Don't leave it set to off. You can choose to have it set to friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody, depending on who you want to talk to. For the voice chat method, decide whether you want an open mic, push to talk, or mute. I personally prefer open mic, so my microphone is always on, but you can choose whichever option works best for you. Scroll further down to the voice chat input device setting. If it's set to default, change it to your specific default microphone. Then, for voice chat output device, select either your speakers or your headphones, depending on where you want the sound to come out from. Once you've made these adjustments, hit apply and close out of the settings window. Now, check in-game to see if your microphone is working properly. Step 2. Adjust system sound settings. If the issue still persists, close Fortnite and head to your start menu. Search for Control Panel and open it. Make sure the View By option is set to large icons. Then click on Sound. In the sound window, go to the Recording tab. Here, you should see a list of all the microphone inputs available on your computer. Right-click on the microphone you want to use and click on Set Default. Also, ensure that it is enabled by right-clicking and selecting Enable if needed. Next, right-click on your default microphone again. Select Properties and navigate to the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider is turned up. Then, go to the Advanced tab and check the option that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and then OK. Step 3. Check the volume mixer. Now right-click on the volume icon in your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Verify that your output device is set to your preferred speakers or headphones, and your input device is set to the microphone you're using. For example, my Yeti stereo microphone. This ensures that the right devices are being used by the system. Step 4. Relaunch Fortnite. After you've adjusted both the in-game and system settings, relaunch Fortnite. Test your microphone in a game or in a voice chat session. With these changes, your mic should now be working perfectly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have resolved any microphone issues in Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.